How to change your password in Pocket option. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you want to change your password in Pocket option application, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Pocket option app on a device and make sure you're logged into your account. After you're signed in, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. In the expanded menu, tap on Profile. Under Profile, select Security. Now, on the next page, you'll see a Change Password option in green. Tap on it and then get ready to enter your current password in the first field. Make sure you type in your correct password you are currently using for your Pocket option account in the first field. Once you do that, head over to the next field and enter the new password you want to change to. Now move on to the next field and re-enter the new password that you just typed in. Make sure you type in the new password whenever prompted or while logging into your Pocket option account from now onwards. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching for more.